All right. So we're not doing a little quick Q&A here. Shoes on. Look at this. Okay. So one of the people that you see often on the Dumb Mechanics. We've recently had a cold snap. So his fuel has gelled. Granted that since the fun diesels that they are, when it gets too cold, if you don't treat them right away, the fuel will freeze, and that's what we got today. So we are going to run over there and change this fuel filter quick and just kind of show you what to do if your fuel ever gels. And get this. All right, we're on our way. Ooh, chilly. All right, we have arrived. So, give her the problem, Hoss.
We got gel fuel.
Yep, sounds good to me. Sounds like a dumb mechanic problem to me. Because it's chilly out. So,
I think I might have found another problem.
what's this problem?
Well, that's all coolant there.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, she spurted.
She squirted.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
Well, that's not a good problem. I mean, it's not a good thing to see. So, it used to have an 03 engine in it, but now has an 05 Cummins. Yeah. So now, if we're doing work to this truck, it is an 05. We're going to get her set up, and let's get that fuel filter off. The fuel filter is going to be located back under here. Now, I know it's hard to see. It's going to take a 1 1/8 inch socket to pull off. So now down under there, it can wiggle it on, and it should stay right on in the back there. For perspective wise, right side of the truck, left side of the truck, so it's on the right hand side of the truck. There you go.
Driver's side.
Driver's side of the truck.
Right there. There you go.
Yeah, okay. So it's on the driver's side of the truck. That would be smart to say. But you lose. Really?
What?
What the heck? I don't know what you mean by that then.
A swivel, like the little things like this long.
Oh, I don't have any of those.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
You bought them.
I did?
Yeah, you have one for every size.
Oh.
Oh my god, I gotta teach you everything.
Alright, now she's going.
You're gonna have to wrench it most of the way because it's.
Oh, really?
Me and Greg thought that you could just unscrew it with your hands the one time.
Oh, it's.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, why? Okay, so. Alright. I want to pull it out so it drains somewhat.
It should.
Now since we got the filter off, that's what it's going to look like. Got the fuel in there. And we'll give you a quick shot of the filter. Oh, my foot. And looking at the filter, if you pull it apart, when it freezes, you'll get a gum style thing inside the inside the inner filter here, we got like a gum in it. So it's not allowing enough fuel to go through the truck, making the truck stall out. So,
Yeah, when I was pulling it apart there, it was like stringy.
yeah. So it's pretty much, when it freezes, a gum substance pretty much, I guess, forms in there. So we are going to go get a new fuel filter. That'll hopefully fix the problem. Okay, so this is with the new filter on. Make sure that hole is on the outside or you're not going to have any fuel flow. Also, the pack will come with a little rubber O-ring that goes right there. Make sure you replace that because the diesel fuel will eat it over time. It's always good to put the new one on or you're going to have a leak.
Old one was yellow.
Yeah, the old one we had was yellow, but that just probably depends on the manufacturer or who makes the fuel filter and everything. So we lost some of the footage in the video, and that was putting the filter back on. So basically, when you're putting on a filter, be careful. Since it's plastic, you don't want to over tighten it because it will strip it. So when you're tightening a filter, it's going to get tight. You're going to be able to hand tighten it, and it's just going to be tough. So then you're going to want to start cranking on it with your ratchet. So when you're cranking on your ratchet, it's going to keep going. It's going to be kind of tighter, and all of a sudden it's just kind of going to stop. Don't go any further. Don't start really pulling on it because you're going to strip it. Then when it stops, you're good. Right, the tools. The tools. Yeah, you need an 1 1/8" socket, as you've seen earlier in the video. You need a 1/2 inch ratchet, and then a 3 or 4 inch ratchet extension.
And someone that doesn't break plastic lines on the truck.
Yeah, and somebody doesn't break plastic lines on the truck.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We fixed it with tape, so we're golden. Oh, and ratchet-wise, anything would work. I'd recommend like a swivel head or something. It's just easier to get back in there. That's about it. I think we're done here.
Okay, we're good. Don't tell anybody, but I lost my wallet.